Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like without the third step. So the third step will darken it back to like Hey guys, so I am gonna be doing a color remover on my hair because I used a color I was not supposed to use and my hair's been looking like really dull. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this Color Fix Argan Oil, or Color Fix One and Only Argan Oil. This is it removes unwanted permanent hair color without damaging your hair. This has no bleach in it, so I'm gonna use this and I will try to show you how I'm doing everything. So it's a 3-step system. Usually one and two will get your hair like an orangey color because of course it removes the hair color off unless you have like blonde or something underneath. And then the third step is what is this, processing lotion. So it tones the hair back down to its natural state. I don't know that it does that with bleach blonde hair, but we're gonna go ahead and this is what my hair looks like. It looks very dull and nasty, so we're gonna go ahead and start mixing up the stuff and then let's go with hair. So you have to do equal amounts. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little measuring cup and I'm just gonna squeeze about 2 So I'm gonna do about an ounce of the first product and I'm gonna put it into my mixing bowl. This stuff smells really bad, like boiled eggs. Now I'm gonna go in with the second step and I'm gonna put about the same amount because you want equal parts. So that's 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add it into the second part. This is what it looks like. So half and half. You want equal parts. So we're just gonna mix it up into the bowl. And my hair is very thin, so this should be enough. If not, then I can always mix more. Okay, and then I'm gonna start with the bottom. Let's just do it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the back. And I'm just gonna apply the product onto the hair. Make sure you saturate all the hair. You want it to be like evenly saturated. Alright you guys, so my hair is completely saturated. I don't know if you can tell, but like it's kind of starting to lighten already. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and put it in a bag. I don't have any processing caps. I'm gonna blow dry it during that time to give it heat and then I will be back to show you what it looks like after. Alright you guys, so this is what it looks like without the third step. So the third step will darken it back to like a brown like this, except for where my hair's bleached, which I had bleached like a part of my hair from the back. So this part, it won't go back dark, but the rest of it will, because it's just permanent color. But this, because the melanin was stripped from inside the hair, inside the cortex, it's not going to go back to the dark color, but this will. I think what I'm going to do is probably put a color over it. I think I'm going to do like maybe like a medium brown or something. This is like I don't know, it's kind of orangey to me, but this is the end result of my hair. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, girl. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have tried this one and only brand before, and I'll see you guys in my next video.